Hello and welcome to Big Review TV. My name's Jamie and it's a beautiful sunny day here in Brisbane's West End. I'm about to go give my bike some TLC at the Bicycle Revolution. Come with me.
Hi there, my name's Mark. I'm a company director at Bicycle Revolution down at 294 Montague Road in West End. We specialise in retro bikes for both ladies and gents, and we can help you get on a bike whether you're looking at a new form of transport or whether you're looking at something to ride on the weekend. We're on Facebook and other forms of social media, and we'd like to see you come down to our shop soon.
Well, what a fantastic organisation the Bicycle Revolution is. They really give back to the community, they've looked after my bike, and they also do custom-made designs. So if you're ever in West End, please go check out the Bicycle Revolution, or you can check them out on social media. Hope to see you here soon.